This is a pocket-sized agenda. I'll be doing an unboxing for a little special little treat. Louis Vuitton. And it is something that I ordered like almost 2 months ago. It's been a month and a half. It's took a long time to get here. So here we are. I've already busted open the box. And yes, completely unnecessary, but yet necessary at the same time. Just hope it holds 100 pages. So today I'm gonna be unboxing journal. It's the summertime edition. I think it's so cute. I realized I had to do an unboxing of this because this little keychain right here is the cutest. Like, I can use it as a charm for my bag. So, and that I will be doing. Yes, I will. So here goes. I love the box. The boxing is super cute. Very fresh summary, which by the way, I made sure I had on my nautical top, my little nautical guess for the purpose of unboxing this. So here you go. So this comes off and it's so cute. It says Louis Vuitton on the top and it's gold, white, and blue. I love it. So yeah, so what will I be journaling in this, you I ask? I don't know, but it will be significant. As for, I spent $100 for this journal, so it's gonna be some important business moves that are made in this journal. So manifesting the wealth and success, so I can purchase more of these in the future. So, all right. So I've opened it. It comes in this cute hand. Oh, this is so small. Sorry, my son's outside using the leaf blower for. Alright. So open the flap. And it is so little, but it's so cute. And it's fabric. So that's so much smaller than I intended it to be, but it's so cute. And it fits in my purse. Most importantly, this fits in my purse. I love it. And it's got like a little pink little strap there. Let's get a close-up on it. With the gold. Yes, all the way around. And yeah. Okay, so the first page, so what you're buying is like the first, and then it's got a place where you can write your name in it. And let's see how many pages it's got. I'm not sure how many pages it is. I think it tells you how many pages come in the book, but either way, it's super cute. And this will definitely fit in my purse. I'm in love with it. The only thing I don't know if I like so much is that it is fabric and it's white and light yellow. And yeah, if you have makeup and other things of that sort floating around in your bag, which you should have your makeup concealed either way, it can get dirty. So just a heads up. Almost 2 months later, $100 later, and I finally got it. So you tell me, comment down below, let me know, is this a complete waste of money? Is this a great buy? Is this efficient? Is this something that you would get? For me, I purchased it just to fuck around and find out. I've gone on Amazon and found planners, agendas, journals this size. They work perfectly fine. You get 2 for maybe $10-15. But you know, it's Louis Vuitton. It's gold. It's part of their 2026 summer collection. What are you gonna do? Comment below and let me know what you think.
A few moments later.
Do I like it? Yes. Do I love it? I don't know. I mean, after you wait 2 months to receive this, and let me tell you, I'm 5'2", so my hands are little. My hands are little. They're little. This is a pocket-sized agenda. How do I feel? I I don't know anymore. One thing's for sure, two things for certain. It's not going back. It's here to stay. And it's going in my purse. But now I feel like I need to get a case for this because it's fabric and it can get dirty. I gotta put like a master plan in this now at this point. Like, this is $100 of an agenda journal situation. It does come with a bookmark, which is pink, which is cute. Get one of these. You could throw $100 around. You could wait 2 months to get an agenda to write insightful thoughts. Do it. Why the fuck not? For me, it's here, baby. It can't go back. Like, how am I gonna protect this from getting dirty at this point? Or like, should I not care? Or do I only just leave it at home? I don't put it in my bag. But then that's stupid because it's small for a reason. It's small so that it could fit in your purse. Now I have to do a what's in my bag now. It's only right. Because guess what's going to be in that bag? This right here. What's in my bag? This journal right here. All right. I'm done.